can be a disaster also, you know, to take a risk like that. But to take that risk, to take that challenge was very, very exciting for me. And to see it come out like the way we shot it, it's really very satisfying. To see your reaction like that is extremely satisfying.
तो फिल्म करने से पहले कितनी बातें पता थी आपको डैडी के बारे में?
पहले फिल्म करने से पहले तो जैसे शूटिंग के पहले तो सब कुछ पता था, मगर जब कहानी पर काम कर रहे थे, जब रिसर्च कर रहे थे, तो उस वक्त ये जानकारी नहीं जानते थे कौन थे, मगर क्या बीती उन पे, क्या उनकी ज़िंदगी थी, उनके क्या रिश्ते थे, कैसे लोग थे उनके इर्द गिर्द, और किस तरीके से उन्होंने गियर चेंज किया अपनी ज़िंदगी में, और इतना कुछ किया एक ही ज़िंदगी में. आई थिंक all of that was the challenge. The information was very simple.
इंडस्ट्री में बहुत स्प्रेड आते हैं आपको धमकियाँ वगैरह ये सब आप पूरी तरह से
आप दोनों से करना चाहिए क्योंकि आप लोग वहाँ से ऐसा कुछ मतलब ऐसा कुछ आया था फिल्म में ये पार्ट जरूर होना चाहिए या किस तरह का जरूर दिखाया जाना चाहिए, वहाँ से ऐसा कुछ आया था ये जरूर दिखाया जाना चाहिए.
उन्होंने बोला कि जो भी दिखाओ सच दिखाओ, यू नो, जितना सच दिखा सकते हो, यू नो, क्योंकि वो जब मैं उनसे अभी मिला उस टाइम पे पता नहीं क्या था, तो ये सब है अभी फिल्म में, मगर आप देखिए I think Ashim should answer that question. If he had not made up his mind, maybe I would not have been part of this. I actually started working on the script myself for the first time, and I started, penning a kind of a story down, and I needed help. And at that time, I spoke to Ashim, and then when we both started putting our heads together, I think that's where it all started from. The excitement that we could feel while doing it, while we were working together, that wow man, this can be really something very special as well.
Freedom, all the freedom, we got a lot of freedom to work on this film. There was no such thing ये डालना है, वो डालना है, tell my story. I think that's what I really appreciated about it. But he said, just tell it the way it should be told. I don't want to make myself heroic. I don't want to, so I think that is given as a filmmaker. It's not a propaganda film. We're not trying to show him in a particular way. We're trying to show him as a father, as a gangster, in many different ways. And I think that's what makes this film very exciting.
How you made Arjun into that character? How you made Arjun into that?
How did I build Arjun? I think Arjun and I came from the same place. I think Arjun and I came from the same place. I think we never planned to work on it. It was an accident. He talked to me. He said, "Listen, I'd love to work with you."
The tagline which is there, the one who did not run. Is that a reference to Dawood Ibrahim?
I think, the only one who didn't run is because that is the truth. From that word, okay, everybody has run. Okay, and everybody did go away, and he's the only one who stuck here, stayed personally. And if you hear his talks, or you hear the way he speaks to people, when he's addressed people in his speeches and all of that, he says, "I love my country, I want to be here, do something." He is connected with his land, you know what I mean? He is uncomfortable being out of India. It's not so, obviously there's something which is not that selfish, which comes out of it.
It also reminds me of Daya Banaya. It may be correct wrong somewhere. So Velu Naikan or something which is just like Rose Khan. I think it also reminds me of the image of Robin Hood guy. Though he belongs to a gangster, though he's a gangster, but still a Robin.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of films.
See, there's a lot of folk tales, you know what I mean, where you say Robin Hood and this, but you've seen all of that. I promise you, when you see Daddy, this is just the teaser. Trailer abhi baki hai, picture to baki hai. Okay, but when you see the film, you will see different aspects of what you said. It's not just about being there for, a span of 8 years or 5 years, the rise and fall, it's not about that. It's about a journey of a life, spanned over, I would say, 5 decades, over 50 years. And I think think that's what's important. यार मेरा तो आना जाना भी होता ही रहता है लगड़ी चौल में, you know, अभी दोस्त बन गए उनके फैमिली और के लगड़ी चौल के जो लोग हैं, डैडी के जितने दोस्त हैं, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दी थी उनके बारे में, वो सब रहते हैं वहाँ पर और उन सबका मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ, सब शुक्रगुजार हैं कि हम उनके नवरात्रि में भी गए थे, मगर उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ क्योंकि उनके जो इंफॉर्मेशन था, जो सपोर्ट था, उसके बगैर तो ये फिर वही नहीं बना।
ओके, अर्जुन, महाराष्ट्र के अलावा पूरे देश में नेशनल एंथम कंपलसरी कर दिया गया है, इसमें आपका क्या कहना है?
ये अच्छी बात है यार, वी ऑल आर इंडियंस और गर्व से नेशनल एंथम गाना चाहिए हम लोग।
Arjun, you also have to learn Marathi for the film.
Yeah, I did have to train a bit in Marathi, but I think let's talk about all of that later.
Yeah, that's it.
ओके, अर्जुन, कभी वीडियो दिखाने का प्लान है क्या सीधर या आप लोगों के माध्यम से बताने की
यार अभी वो सब मैं नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि I would love to show it to him. He has been a huge, tremendous support, and of course we will show him the whole film, not just the piece.
Okay, thank you.